Let's cover how to coach a heel slide. A heel slide is a fundamental core and pelvic stability exercise often used in rehabilitation, postpartum recovery, and foundational strength training. It helps clients to improve core engagement, lower abdominal control, and lumbopelvic stability without excessive strain. Step 1. Have the client lie on their back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Their spine should be in a neutral position, not excessively arched or pressed flat into the floor. The hands can rest on the lower abdomen or by their sides. Step 2. Establish your client's core engagement. Before performing the movement, the client needs to activate their deep core. Instruct them to take a deep diaphragmatic breath, then gently draw their lower belly inward as they exhale. They might imagine this the same way they think about zipping up their lower abs or gently bracing as if preparing for a light punch. Coach your client to inhale to prepare. On the exhale, slowly slide one heel away from the body while maintaining core control. This means keeping the ribs stacked over the pelvis. Slide out until the leg is almost straight, keeping the foot lightly in contact with the floor. Inhale as they slide the heel back to the starting position. Then repeat on the other side. To advance this movement, you might add a resistance band. You might do a heel slide with a single leg hover, a heel slide with one arm reach, and then advancing to a dead bug variation.